scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Average mass questions get easy fast when you track one peptide first, then scale up to all 7, and you can spot option C quickly. Start with one polypeptide. It has 117 amino acids, and each amino acid averages 110 Daltons. So multiply 117 by 110 to estimate one peptide's mass, which is 12,870 Daltons. Now use the fact that there are 7 polypeptides total. So take the mass of one polypeptide, 12,870 Daltons, and multiply by 7 to get the combined mass. That product is 90,090 Daltons, so the best estimate matches option C, and we are done because it fits the full group. Well done, option C. Scan now. The trap is rushing signs or steps. Trust the given numbers and check each multiplication before choosing.